Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Since my last video, there's been a ton of development happening in the VeChain ecosystem. They've been launching so many brand new applications over the past few weeks that it's almost been too much to keep up with. So in this video, I'll be introducing two of these brand new VeChain applications, and for each one, I'll do a walkthrough on how to connect your wallet and how to go about making your first submissions. So let's dive right in. The two apps that I'll be showcasing for you today are BetterSmile and Wattly. The first application that we'll be exploring is BetterSmile. This is a super easy app that I think almost anybody can manage to do. The application's purpose is to get people to conserve water by not running the faucet while brushing their teeth. What the app does is, it has you take a photo of your toothbrush with a glass of water next to it to show that you will be using the glass of water to brush your teeth instead of just running the faucet the whole time. Now I'll show you how to go about connecting your wallet and making your first submission. From the VeWorld Wallet home screen, click the Apps button. If you don't have a VeWorld Wallet set up yet, I do a step-by-step walkthrough on how to create one in a previous video entitled Getting Started with VeChain. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. In the Apps section, search for and find the BetterSmile application. You can do this by scrolling, searching, or by typing in the actual URL, which is www.bettersmile.site. Once you've opened up the BetterSmile application, you'll have to connect your wallet to the app. You do this by clicking on the Connect Wallet button, which is in the top right-hand corner of the BetterSmile home screen. Once your wallet is connected, then all you have to do is click on the camera button that's right in the middle of the home screen. This will open up your camera to take a photo. For the photo submission to this app, they want you to take a photo of your toothbrush with toothpaste on it next to a full glass of water. Once you snap the photo, now you just have to wait for your submission to be approved by the AI, which usually only takes a few seconds. Then the AI will let you know if your submission has been approved or rejected. You'll accumulate Better tokens throughout the week by making daily submissions, and then once a week, at the end of the week, the app distributes your Better token rewards to your wallet. You can view your previous submissions by going into the app's dashboard, where it tells you whether or not each submission was accepted or rejected. You can make one submission every 12 hours, so that's pretty much twice a day. While there are already plenty of incentives to brushing your teeth, getting paid for it just makes it that much easier to remember to do. I actually can't wait to see how much they'll be paying me this week for brushing my teeth. The second brand new VeChain application that we'll be looking into today is called Wattly. This is a super easy app that takes almost no effort to complete a submission. The purpose of this app is simple. It pays you for reducing your screen time, so it basically just pays you for not using your phone. At the beginning of each day, you just go into your phone's settings and take a screenshot of your previous day's screen time. Then you just upload the screenshot to the Wattly application. It's that simple. The application's AI analyzes the screenshot and then pays you based on your reduction in screen time compared to the previous day. The greater the reduction in screen time is, the more Better tokens you get paid. Now I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your VeChain wallet into the Wattly application and how to go about making your first submission. So first, open up your VeWorld wallet and go into the Apps section. The Wattly app is currently listed in the Lifestyles category, so you can find the app there, or you can just type in the app's URL, which is www.wattly-app.com. Once you've opened up the Wattly application, you'll want to click on the Get Started Now button. This will take you to a page where you can connect your wallet to the application. So find and click the Connect Wallet button, then sign and approve the transaction. Once your wallet has been successfully connected to the application, you're now ready to prepare your submission. If you're using an Android phone, all you have to do is go into your phone's settings and scroll down and click on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, it will take you to a page where it displays your current day's screen time usage. To get your previous day's screen time, click on View App Activity Details. On this page, it lets you toggle from today's date to the previous day's date by clicking on the arrow that's next to the date. Once the previous day's screen time is being displayed on your screen, go ahead and take the screenshot. You do this on an Android phone by pressing and holding down the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Once you have the screenshot of your previous day's screen time taken, you're ready to go into the Wattly app and make your submission. Oh yeah, and Apple users, I'm sure you guys can figure out how to take this screenshot on your own. So within the VeWorld wallet, Open up the Wallet app and click Get Started. Verify your wallet is still connected, and then click on the Upload Now button. Then select Photo or Video. This will take you to the recent screenshots saved in your phone. Find and select the screenshot of your screen time from the previous day. Once selected, the app's AI will process the submission, and within a few seconds, it will tell you if this submission was approved or rejected. Once your submission is approved, the app rewards you in Better tokens. The less screen time you log, the more Better tokens you get paid. You can let your Better token rewards add up within the app, or you can claim your rewards every day as they become available. You'll pay a lot more in transaction fees by claiming the rewards every day, but the app only gives you 2 weeks to claim the rewards before they expire. So what I've been doing is, I just make the submission once a day, let the Better tokens add up throughout the week, and then at the end of the week, I'll go in and claim the rewards. That way I pay a lot less in transaction fees. Nowadays, we can all benefit from setting our phones down and log in less screen time. And what better incentive is there than actually getting paid for not using your phone? I don't think there is one. Well, that's all I've got for this one, folks. I just wanted you guys to remember, as I've said in previous videos, that most of these new applications are still in the beta testing phase, so they're constantly being updated and changed. So be patient with the apps if they're giving you trouble. And all the apps have Twitter pages where you can reach out for help if you have questions about a specific app. The Twitter is where you could usually find support from the community and also the developers. I hope you'll check out the apps I went over in this video. I'm positive you can find at least one VeChain app that you can incorporate into your everyday routine. I'd be happy to hear any questions or comments from the community, good or bad. So please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this has been Hawkeye Procurement, signing out. Peace.